Let's make some cheesy Mexican lasagna. Start by cooking up a couple pounds of ground beef on my Blackstone E-Series griddle. This is the perfect meal to make indoors on one of those nights that you just need a quick dinner. I'm going to season that ground beef up with some taco seasoning. Make sure it's mixed up real good. Then I'm going to use large burrito-sized tortillas in a cast iron pan. I'm going to throw one tortilla down on the bottom of that cast iron pan. Then I'm going to throw down a couple spoonfuls of some refried beans and spread that around nice and thin across that tortilla. Once you have that spread out real good, then we're going to sprinkle it on top with some Mexican style shredded cheese. Then I'll put a hefty amount of that seasoned ground beef right on top of the cheese there. And then you could do whatever you want to add some flavor to this. I'm going to add a little bit of Taco Bell taco sauce. I'm going to add a little bit of white queso that I've got on hand here. I'm going to throw down some corn and some diced tomatoes. These are all just things I had in my pantry that I used just to add a little bit of something. Then once you got your layer the way you like it, you're going to just do it again, starting with another tortilla right there on top, and then do the same thing over again. Got my beans, got my shredded cheese, my ground beef, taco sauce, queso, corn, diced tomatoes. Do that a few more times until this pan is completely full. Then on that final top layer, I'm just going to spread a little bit of taco sauce right on top there, and then top it with a little bit more shredded cheese. I'm going to cook this inside my E-Series Blackstone pizza oven. I'm going to set it to 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. Throw that pan right in there. Let it cook. When it comes out, it should be nice and cheesy and gooey and melty. Slice into it and serve. Hope you all enjoy. Until next time, thanks for watching.